What's the meaning of Byronic? Byronic. Byronic.
Byronic. Byronic. Ironic refers to a literary and cultural movement that emerged during the Romantic era in Europe, associated with the works of English poet Lord Byron. It is characterized by themes of individualism, rebellion, melancholy, and romanticism, often featuring a heroic yet flawed protagonist. The term is typically used to describe a person, work of art, or literary style that evokes the spirit of Byronic literature. In contemporary usage, the term has expanded to encompass a broader sense of dark, brooding, and passionate characteristics that echo the archetype of the Byronic hero.